In this 3D AutoCAD tutorial, we will be making this flange, so let's begin. At first, open a new AutoCAD file by clicking here. Then select this circle command here. Click here in this environment window. And after that, press the enter button from the keyboard. From keyboard, type C here. And then press enter. So C is the shortcut key for circle. Trace the circle here and make a circle of diameter 6. And now it's time to make a line, and for line we have a shortcut key L, and then press enter. From this quadrant to this quadrant, make a straight line, and then type C again for circle, then press enter. And now at the middle of this line, make a circle of diameter 1, then press enter. And now it's time to delete this line, so select this line and press the delete key from your keyboard. Now drop down this menu and select this option, polar array. Select this circle, then press enter. And now we have to specify the center. For that, specify this center, and here you can adjust this polar array. Type 8 here, and here you can see the polar array of 8 circles have been created. Just press enter here again. Now pan it to the center. You can adjust it. And now it's time to make it in a 3D. For that, select this SE isometric. Now in toolbar, come to this solid and here select this option. And after that, select this sketch, and here you can specify 1 for the extrusion. Press enter, and now it's time to view it in shaded view. So select your shaded view. Here you can see the flange has been created. So this is the end of this simple tutorial. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.